Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to buy Bitcoin on Binance in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto tips. Bitcoin has been on a wild ride, and with 2025 bringing new regulations and features, getting in early could be a smart move. But remember, crypto is volatile, so always invest what you can afford to lose. First things first, you need a Binance account. Head over to the Binance website or app and sign up using your email or phone. It's quick and free, but don't skip the KYC verification. It's mandatory in many regions for security and compliance. Once you're verified, which might take a few minutes to a day, you're ready to fund your account. Next, deposit some funds. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or even another crypto if you already have some. Binance supports various methods, but keep an eye on fees, they can vary. For 2025, expect more options like instant fiat deposits due to updated partnerships. Now, let's buy that Bitcoin. Go to the Trade section and search for BTC. You'll see options like Spot for immediate buys or Convert for simpler transactions. Choose your method, enter the amount you want to buy, and hit Confirm. Double-check the current price because Bitcoin's value can swing fast. A few tips to stay safe. Enable two-factor authentication right away to protect your account. Set up withdrawal limits and never share your keys. Also, with 2025's potential regulatory changes, stay updated on taxes and legal requirements in your country. If you're a beginner, start small and learn as you go. There you have it. Buying Bitcoin on Binance in 2025 is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your crypto questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.